Second graders, it's Mrs. Briggs and
Miss Nelson!
here for Module 2, Lesson 7's Deep Dive. You need your blue book today.
You got this.
Right. In Lesson 6, we talked about regular plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. Today we are going to continue talking about irregular plural nouns. Those are plural nouns that don't just end with S or ES. Here's the chart that we used in Lesson 6. On the left side, you see our regular plural nouns, meaning more than one. We have settler to settlers, Indian to Indians, tribe to tribes, horse to horses. Notice these are regular, meaning we're just adding an S or ES to the end. All of our irregular plural nouns are a little different. Sometimes they are the same, whether they are singular, meaning one, or plural, meaning more than one. And sometimes we change different letters and add letters. For example, the first one, meat to meat, they are both the same. Foot to feet, child to children, woman to women, tooth to teeth, bison to bison, man to men, and then person changes to people. So again, these are all irregular. Okay, echo read after me. The buffalo calf wobbled to his blank. We are going to fill in the blank with a word that makes sense. The buffalo calf wobbled to his foots. The buffalo calf wobbled to his feet. Or the buffalo calf wobbled to his feets. Which one do you think it is? You got it, it's feet. The buffalo calf wobbled to his feet. More than 1 foot. You are going to do something very similar today with your workbook on handout 7B. We're going to fill in the blank with the correct irregular plural noun. So open your blue book to handout 7B. Pause the video to give yourself time to do this. Okay, if you're feeling confident about this, you can work on your own. If you would like to work with me, I'm going to go through each sentence right now. Okay, so if you feel like you can do this on your own, then you can go work independently. If you want to work on it with me, we are going to work on it together. The directions say, read the sentences below. Ask yourself, is this a word I can add S or ES to? Or is it an irregular one? Think about where you have seen the word before or a time you have used it while speaking. Circle the correct form of the plural noun. Write it on the line. Read it aloud one more time. Number 1, a herd of blank charged across a grassy plain, their hooves rumbling. So we're looking to add either bisons or bison. What is the plural of bison? It's still bison. That's one of our irregular nouns, irregular plural nouns that stays the same. A herd of bison. So circle bison and then write it on the line. And then read the sentence one more time. Here we go. A herd of bison charged across a grassy plain, their hooves rumbling. We want to make sure when we reread it that our word in the blank makes sense. Number 2, in some tribes, membership was passed on from mothers to their blank. We're looking for the plural of child. So is it child's, children, or children's? You got it, it's children. So circle children and write it on the line. Now let's reread that sentence together. In some tribes, membership was passed on from mothers to their children. You got it. Number 3. There are many different blank or groups of American Indians who share a culture. We are plugging in either tribe or tribes. You got it, tribes. There are many different tribes or groups of American Indians who share a culture. Write it on the line. And we have one more. Indian blank hunted and decided whether to go to war. Is it mans, men's, or men? Good, men. Indian men hunted and decided whether to go to war. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive today with our irregular plural nouns. So make sure your handout 7B page is complete. Thank you for doing your best and have a wonderful rest of the day.